Hey there, survival enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for all things survival and adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of survival gadgets, showcasing 15 cool tools that could make all the difference in a tough situation. Whether you're an avid camper, a hiker, or just someone who likes to be prepared, these gadgets are sure to pique your interest. Let's get started. Number 1. Machete Knife. A trusty machete is a fundamental tool for any outdoor adventurer. It can be your right-hand companion when navigating dense forests, clearing brush to create a campsite, building shelters from fallen branches, or chopping firewood to keep a warm fire going through the night. A good machete should be well-balanced and comfortable to hold for extended use. Look for one with a sharp, durable blade made from high-quality steel that can withstand tough tasks without dulling or chipping easily. The size and weight will depend on your individual needs and preferences, but a machete that falls in the 18 to 24-inch range is a good starting point, offering a balance between maneuverability and chopping power. Number 2. PSK Oak Fire Piston. Fire is essential for survival, providing warmth, light, a means to cook food, and a sense of security in the wilderness. The PSK Oak Fire Piston provides a reliable way to get a spark even in wet or windy conditions, when traditional methods like matches or lighters might fail you. This compact tool uses friction to create a spark that can ignite tinder, dry leaves, or even steel wool. The PSK Oak Fire Piston is a great option for backpackers, campers, and anyone who wants to be self-sufficient in starting a fire, regardless of the elements. With a little practice, you'll be able to master the technique of using the piston to create a spark quickly and efficiently, ensuring you have a reliable way to start a fire whenever you need it most. Number 3. Pyro Putty. Speaking of fire, Pyro Putty is a weatherproof fire starter that can be a lifesaver in damp or challenging conditions. Imagine trying to build a fire in a downpour. Frustrating, right? Well, Pyro Putty takes the worry out of wet environments. This putty-like substance is waterproof and will not lose its ability to ignite even after being submerged in water. Just a small amount of Pyro Putty can be easily shaped to create a tinder nest that catches sparks effortlessly, getting your fire going quickly and efficiently even when the weather isn't cooperating. Whether you're caught in an unexpected rain shower or simply facing damp conditions, Pyro Putty ensures you have a reliable way to start a fire and stay warm. Number 4. Supply Staff. This multifunctional tool goes beyond the realm of a simple walking stick. Supply staffs take the concept of a walking stick and elevate it to a whole new level of functionality. These innovative staffs often incorporate features like a compass, a fire starter, a whistle, and even a bottle opener, making them a versatile addition to your survival kit. The compass helps you navigate unfamiliar terrain, while the fire starter ensures you have a way to create a spark. The whistle can be used for signaling for help in an emergency, and the bottle opener allows you to enjoy a refreshing beverage after a long day on the trail. Supply staffs come in a variety of lengths and materials, so you can choose one that fits your height and walking style. Number 5. Spax Plex Solo Tent. When venturing out into the wilderness, a good shelter is crucial for protecting yourself from the elements and ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. For backpackers and thru-hikers who prioritize lightweight gear, the Spax Plex Solo Tent offers an excellent solution. Made from high-quality, waterproof materials like Dyneema composite fabrics, DCF, commonly known as Cuban fiber, this tent is incredibly light and compact, minimizing the weight you have to carry on your back. Despite its feathery weight, the Spax Plex Solo Tent offers exceptional protection from rain, wind, and even insects. The minimalist design allows for a quick and easy setup, perfect for those times when you need to find shelter quickly after a long day on the trail. With a Spax Plex Solo Tent, you can experience the beauty of the outdoors comfortably and securely. Number 6. Hot Pocket. Imagine this. You're out on a winter camping trip. The temperatures have dipped below freezing, and you're starting to feel that uncomfortable chill creep in. Wouldn't it be amazing to have a way to instantly generate warmth? Well, the Hot Pocket makes that a reality. This innovative gadget offers instant warmth at the push of a button, a welcome relief in cold weather conditions. Filled with a special compound that crystallizes when activated, the Hot Pocket provides hours of low-level heat, perfect for warming hands or keeping your core temperature up in chilly conditions. The Hot Pocket is lightweight, portable, and reusable, making it a valuable addition to any winter survival kit. Simply activate the hot pocket when you start to feel cold, and let the comforting warmth radiate through your gear. Number 7. MFH Bucks Saw. A compact and efficient saw is a valuable tool for any outdoor enthusiast. Whether you're gathering firewood for a campfire, building a makeshift shelter, or clearing debris from a campsite, the MFH Bucks Saw is a versatile tool that gets the job done. This folding saw features a durable, razor-sharp blade that tackles tough jobs with ease. The compact design allows for easy storage in your backpack, ensuring you have a reliable sawing tool readily available whenever you need it. The MFH Bucks Saw's comfortable grip allows for extended use without hand fatigue, making it a user-friendly option for both seasoned outdoorsmen and casual campers alike. With a good saw in your kit, you'll be prepared to handle a variety of tasks in the wilderness, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience on your outdoor adventure. Number 8. UATLOM Concept. While not yet available for purchase, the UATLOM Concept has captured the imagination of survivalists and tech enthusiasts alike. This futuristic concept pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of survival gear. The UATLOM is a wearable device that projects a holographic shelter around the wearer, providing protection from the elements and potential hazards. Imagine being caught in a sudden downpour and having a protective shield materialize around you at the touch of a button. The UATLOM Concept also offers features like built-in environmental sensors and climate control systems, creating a personalized microclimate for the wearer. While it's still in the concept stage, the UATLOM represents an exciting glimpse into the future of survival technology, offering a potential game-changer for anyone who ventures into the wilderness. Number 9. Mimetic Sidekick. The Mimetic Sidekick is a comprehensive first aid kit that includes everything you need to treat minor injuries in the field. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your backpack. Its comprehensive nature ensures you have everything you need to stay safe and healthy during your outdoor adventures. Number 10. Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System. Clean water is essential for survival in the wilderness, and the Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System is a compact and reliable way to ensure you have access to clean drinking water. It can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water, making it a long-lasting solution for your water needs. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, ensuring you have clean water wherever your adventures take you. Number 11. Gerber EXO Mod. The Gerber EXO Mod is a modular backpacking tool that includes a knife, saw, and other essential tools. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in your backpack. Its modular design allows you to customize it to suit your needs, ensuring you have the right tools for the job in any situation. Number 12. Fireflow Rocket Stove. The Fireflow Rocket Stove is a portable and efficient stove that can be used for cooking and heating in the wilderness. It's easy to use and provides a steady source of heat. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your backpack, ensuring you can enjoy hot meals and stay warm during your outdoor adventures. Number 13. The Flounder. The Flounder is a compact and lightweight fishing kit that includes everything you need to catch fish in the wild. It's easy to use and can help you supplement your food supply in a survival situation. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, ensuring you're always prepared for a fresh meal during your outdoor adventures. Number 14. Earthpack. Earthpack is a brand that offers a range of waterproof bags and cases that are perfect for outdoor adventures. Their products are durable and reliable, making them a great choice for keeping your gear safe and dry. Whether you're hiking, camping, or kayaking, Earthpack has a waterproof solution for you. Number 15. Teran Campfire Puffy Jacket. The Teran Campfire Puffy Jacket is a lightweight and insulated jacket that is perfect for staying warm in cold weather. It's compact and easy to pack, making it a great addition to your survival kit. Its insulation provides warmth without adding bulk, ensuring you stay comfortable during your outdoor adventures. And there you have it, folks. 15 incredible survival gadgets that could save the day when you're out in the wild. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, stay safe and adventure on.